If you want to win any negotiation, then you have to show that you are willing to walk away. And the best way to show that you are willing to walk away is actually to walk away. Hello and welcome. This is Tushar Rathod and today we are going to talk how to become superstar at sales and negotiation skills. So today I am going to share the secret formula to become the master at sales, at negotiation skills as well as communication skills. The secret formula is 3C. First, to connect. Second, to convey. And third, to convince. Yes, the first one is to connect. You have to connect with your audience, your targeted customers. Second, you have to convey your message in a better way. You require the best presentation skills for that. And the third one is to convince. If you learn the first two, you don't have to work upon your third, that is to convince the people to buy your product or your service. But I see a lot of people are struggling, suffering in their sales and their negotiation because they are focusing more on second and third aspect, which is to convey their message and to convince people to buy their product, their service. 90% of people are wasting their time, their money and energy to convey and to convince people to buy the product. Instead, if you focus how to connect with your audience, you will win the game. Yes, because people don't buy your product or your service. They buy emotions. And if you can connect with your targeted customers, your audience, you will you will sell them their emotions. You don't have to sell the emotions. They will buy from you. Yes. So my dear friends, and the big question arises here is how to connect with your audience. And I will share one more secret with you to connect with your audience. That is, first one is WIIFM. First tip, WIIFM, which is what is in it for me. This is human psychology. Before buying any product or service, each and every human being think of that what is in it for me, and you have to understand what is in it for your customer. What is in it for your customer, your product and your service. Second tip, NIC, which is N stands for need, I for interest and C for concern. You have to take care of your audience need, their interest and their concern. You have to understand these three aspects as a tip number 2. And now the tip number 3 is understand before you want to get understood. Yes, you have to understand your client personally. You have when you are going to negotiate with your clients, you have to pay close attention, focused on your client, what he is going to tell you. You have to understand each and every aspect that he is going to share with you. Here you required listening skills, because the person who is going to put the number first is going to lose the game. You have to pay the complete attention to your customer. Thank you.